Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. 100 different things that you can do on WordPress. We started this journey a while ago. If you go to my channel, which is AX Santosh, if you go to the videos, we already did half an hour video over here and half an hour video over here about nobody told you this about WordPress. So I also gave you a format, which is right over here. We already completed 25 things. Now we are going to do the next things. So the next thing is setting up favicon. Log into your dashboard. If you're not on your dashboard, then please go ahead and log in. I will close this. And over here, I'm on the dashboard. I will go to the first page. And this is to set up favicon or logo. It improves your branding. If you have any doubts in between, you can also use ChatGPT. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this content interesting and share it with your friends so that I can make more videos for you guys. Okay. Now, if I go to settings, if I go to appearance, if I go to themes, and if I go to customize, I think I will find this option over here. Let's see. Homepage settings. Okay. Widgets. We don't have this. I think I spotted this in the header last time or in the logo or title. There you go. Site icon. This is the favicon. Okay, that is on the top. This option lets you go ahead and set up a favicon. So what we can do is we can go to favicon creator. You can go to this website, which is called as favicon.io, and over here you can click drag and drop your file, Echotails logo. What that does is it makes that logo and you download it. And once you download it, you extract the file, extract all, extract, and you get the 32 by ICO file. You can use this ICO file, which is my recommendation. So let's go ahead and see how this is done. Go back and over here, click on site icon and click on upload files, select the file and favicon.ico, and we have 512 by 512. We click on that and there we go. We got that logo. Click on select favicon actually. And then it comes up on the top like that. Once I click on publish and if I exit out and go to my site, now if I visit the site, on the top you should see the favicon. Understood guys how to customize that? Okay, wonderful. The next thing that I want to show you is how to customize the header and footer. So let's go ahead and customize the header and footer. To do this, again, you go to appearance for your themes. You just do customize and wherever it says header on your theme, you click on it And we already customized the top bar. We added text that is called as header customization. Now we also have a few other things like main header, which includes the social links. So now we can customize these things if we need. For example, dark mode, light mode, search feature, and the button. So now we have all these features that we can customize. Okay, but I don't need this. I want the main header, and inside main header, what do we have? We already customized all these things, so I'm not showing you again. You can watch the first and second videos if you don't know anything. So we also have the sticky header that we will not go and enable. Now that covers the header customization, guys. Actually, I cannot show you anything more when it comes to the headers. We can go to the code and check if we can do something. We can go to menus and you can just say view location. The menu is not created. You can create a menu additionally, but the menu is there on right on the top, so I'm not doing anything over here. Uh, let's close this and go to the footer customization. Okay, so if you go to customize again, wherever it says footer, okay, go to main footer and you see that it has this particular layout now, right? One, two, three. So now if I change this to one, as you can see, it just becomes a single footer element. You can additionally change the options. There are design option changes over here. For example, background. You can change the color of the footer to be anything you want. Okay. And once you apply it, what it will do is it will apply those colors over here at the bottom. But for now, I don't like that, so I will just leave it as is. You can also change the font color to be something else. Font color, I will customize. Maybe I want a black font. Let's see if we have that option. Black font. Link color should be black as well. Looks good, right? Black looks good. So I will just do it black. Then the border color, I won't change because it is transparent at the moment. I will let it as is. If you make any changes, ensure that you reset the changes as well. If you haven't made any changes, you can, before clicking on publish, ensure that you want whatever you're doing should be good, guys. Okay. So for here, I will reset the changes and you see that it is working wonderfully. Okay. Click on publish and it will change the things. So also you can click on the pencil icon over here additionally to change the text itself. So that I will show you over here. That I can't show you over here, but those are the header and footer customizations, guys. If you click on customize, it will bring up these items that you can customize. These are theme dependent. That is why I'm not showing a lot of things over here. Okay. All these are theme dependent. If you change the theme, it will be lost. The changes will be lost and you have to redo these again. Then you have how to set up a main menu. It organizes content. So let's set up a main menu. Over here, again customize, and if you come to the menus, you click on create a menu and you will call this main menu 1 or anything that you like. Okay. Then you just leave it at primary menu. Then click on next. Then you can add or delete items over here. For example, add item, home, plus icon for that, about us, contact page, privacy policy, terms of service. After you do all these things, you can go ahead and add additional links. For example, I don't want posts in the main menu. Once you do that, what you do is you can click on publish. Out of the box, you get that main menu feature over here. Earlier, as you see, we didn't have that, but now I showed you how to create the main menu as well. If you, just in case if you didn't have all these things, I showed you how to create it just now, right? You do that and publish it, and it will create the main menu. Now, setting up the footer menu. So the footer menu, you can set these up as well. So here, if I click on the widget, for example, these are controlled by the widgets, something called as widgets. This theme has support for widgets. These are the blocks that you add for your website. Okay, click on the plus icon. And for example, on a widget, at the very bottom, I want to see what all are available. You can click on browse all. And let's assume I want to add a custom code. You click on code and you write your code over here. For instance, let's assume that I was typing something regarding PHP, and I will just say echo and then one over here. Let's see if this particular theme supports PHP widgets. I will just say echo one, and after that, I will reload the page. If I come over here, it prints it as is, so it is not available. So that's a bad thing. I didn't want that. Actually, it is not useful for me, so I remove that. This particular widget over here, we can assign a new widget. Um, let's see. We can put, you have all these options. You can only do these things over here. Maybe you want to put a YouTube video, you can do that. Let's assume you wanted to add a paragraph, okay? You would just do that and it will add that to the footer, okay? All these blocks are available, only those available blocks can be customized, guys, okay? So once you click on publish, and once you click on refresh, you would get all those blocks over here. Similarly, you can assign the widget over here. Like latest posts, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. These can be customized individually. Inactive, as you can see, I just I don't have a way to delete this. Earlier, we could drag and drop this elsewhere and it would go away, but here it is not happening. So I will just go here. I don't know what I did over here. Let me go to the footer one. Let's see. Let's try adding a media, for instance. I will just add this media itself. I don't want to create a gallery. I just want to use this media file. Okay, there you go. Once you publish it, you will get that here. That's the idea of the widgets. There you go. We have that. It is nicely placed over there. Here, that is how you customize, guys. You can customize all these individually, but this theme isn't supporting something that I want. So that is why I'm getting a little here and there. Then how to set up sidebar widgets. Okay. Sidebar widgets, again, if you have any sidebar widgets, you can set them just like this. You will get to assign and edit the widgets. So for instance, over here in this particular theme, as you can see, there is something called a sidebar. Over here on the default position is on the right hand side, right? What you could do is you could move this from the right hand side to the left hand side. I will show you how. Just do left sidebar, okay? Left sidebar and click on publish and click on refresh. You will see all these coming towards the left hand side, right? That is how you customize the sidebar, okay? You can also add options. Some themes allow you to change and add things to the sidebar itself. So you can try things like Navy, or you can try the Elementor if you are if your favorite theme is Elementor, so that you can do this. Okay. The next thing is options for the sidebar. Sidebar width. You can control the width and height of the sidebar. For me, 35% looks good. Okay, 35% looks good. So you get to choose the options for the sidebar. You can again press publish and you can reload and you will see them change a little, right? I'll make it 28, publish, and let's see how this looks. Right, that looks about right for me. Next thing is how to configure the home page. Configure homepage static, define site. So why the sidebar is important? It uses, by the way, favicon improves branding. Customizing the header and footer leaves you with consistent navigation or branding. Set up main menu, it organizes content. Set up footer menu, it organizes secondary navigation. It sets up secondary navigation. Set up sidebar widgets. It adds useful contents or tools. Configure homepage static block. It defines the site's first impression. So let's go over here. For example, here we don't have a static page that is configured on this particular theme. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. Uh, you go to homepage settings and you click on static page, and we have to design a static page for this. So let's go ahead and log in to the dashboard again. I will show you how to do this. First, you create a page, go to pages, add a page. If you don't know how, watch the first video, watch the second video, and then come to this video. Then over here, you add the title. I will just call this landing, Echo Tails landing. And over here, I will just add the image. I will just go to media library and I will just add this image. Okay, when the user comes to our website, I just want them to see this, and focus key phrase is echo tails. Okay, and just click on related key phrases. It is taking a little bit of time. Let's go with Google login, approve, and it is showing us the let's change the country from United States to India and click on change country, and you can okay, that should be fine, guys. Slug can be anything. I'll just call this landing page, Echo Tails landing page. I'm configuring the SEO yoast options over here. These should be good, and you just have the option to do these things. Disable top bar. I want to disable the top bar. I want to disable the main header. I want to disable the page, disable breadcrumbs. I want to disable main footer. I want to disable all these things. And after that, what I want to do is I want to click on publish. Once that is done, what you could do is you could go back. Okay. And here you should see that page. But now you don't see that page. I will show you. It will come now. Don't worry about it. Appearance, themes. customize, and down here where it says homepage settings, a static page, and here you just say Echo Tails landing, the page that we just created, and you click on publish. So if the user comes to the website for the first time, what happens is they only see this page. Okay. So let me show you how this looks now, right? By mistake, what I did is I disabled everything, but I wanted to enable one thing, which is the top navigation bar. So to do that, again, what you have to do is you have to go to the pages. Uh, as you learn new concepts, things become a little tough to explain. So try to follow along, and if you have any questions, please ask, and I will help you out. I will go to Echo Pages landing, and I will enable the main header, and I will save it. Let's see what that brings up. This should actually get us the top menu, and if we go to about page, it should say this is our about page, contact page, it should say this is our contact page, privacy policy, it should say this is our privacy policy, and terms of service should say this is our terms of service. Wonderful. Now that you know how to do this, uh, the last thing that I want to create is covered as configuring the blog page. Uh, I will teach this in the next video, guys, because in this video it might get cut out. It is already 27 minutes. I'm trying to make 30-minute videos for each and everything. So this concept I will teach you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is part 3, and keep learning, guys. This video you have to check out first. Nobody told me this about WordPress, which covers all these 15 concepts, right? All these 15 concepts. First color, it covered. Now we covered till here in the third video, so I will make this a different color. Okay. Um, then you need to watch this video, which is part 2, and then watch this particular video, which is you are watching, that will teach you to do only these things. Okay. So things are getting a little tough for you guys, I understand. But then trust me, when you learn WordPress, it will pay you off. So happy learning, and please, 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 it will just take less than 5 seconds to press the like button. So please press that like button, and please press that share button. It will take you another 20 seconds to share this video with your friends. If you share this video with your friends and if you like the video, it will help me very much. It will help me to create more content for you guys. It will also help me to focus on the essential content, such as creating WordPress videos or creating topic-wise videos. So thank you so much for your help. Please share this video with your friends, and have fun, guys. Okay? Thank you so much for your time. Have a good one. Happy learning.